Welcome to Swelog Business Systems. In this video, we'll be discussing the latest changes available in our desktop application version 3.6.68.xx. So let's begin. The first change is under the reclamation report. So let's select it, go to Sales, Shipment Routine, Reclamation Report. Here, under Change Reclamation, we have added a search icon. Previously, there was only a drop list where we get all the reclamation IDs. But the problem is that if this particular customer has worked with Swelog for more than some years, then this list will be very long and it will be very hard time to find the reclamation number that you shall look at. To avoid that difficulty, we have put the function here for search so that if you select the search icon, you get a new window with all the information that is coming under the report. And we have a filter function. That is, if you select this filter checkbox, all the column headings will be having the provision for getting filtered. So let's filter out the data right now on the basis of item here. Let's select some data. Select the required reclamation ID so that it will be getting listed here. So this is the importance or advantage of having a search icon. Hope it is clear. The next change that we have is under the item table. Let us go to MPC, basic data item. Let's select an item here. And under this second section where we get all the item details, select this price tab. There, under cost price and sales price, it is mentioned F8 history, which means if you select this field and select the function button F8, you see the history of cost price. Similarly, if you want to see or view the history of sales price, select the field, click on function button F8 so that all history for the sales price will be getting listed. And if the user doesn't know that, it is mentioned here so that he can do the action and view the history. Now, this third change is there are times when a particular user needs to view some report all the time when he logins to Swelog desktop application. So each time after logging in, he had to go to this particular report menu page, then select it. Rather than doing it every time, now we have added a functionality or a new feature to view it all the time when you log in. So let's see how it is. For that, we need to view the start page. If the start page is not visible here, go to Tools, Show First Page, so that it will be shown here. If this logged in user doesn't have permission for this this option for viewing the start page, it can be enabled for this user under System Admin, Security, Access Permission. If this is enabled for him, he can view it. In this first page, under Settings, we have a new field for Start Report where we have a drop down and the report that you want to see or which one you want to get opened at the time you start Swelog will be listed here and you can select the required report. This is initial state. Right now we have only one report, but in coming days there will be more reports added here. So let's select operator activities report, which we currently have. So let's see how it works. Now let's close desktop application and start it again. So whenever you start Swelog desktop application, automatically the reports also gets opened. So this is the provision of viewing the report each time when you log into Swelog. Hope these are beneficial to you. Thank you for watching.